Hello artists and welcome to the brand new season of Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am making a backpack to kick off the beginning of the 2021-2022 school year. If you are following along with me, you will need drawing paper, a sharpened pencil, an eraser, a Sharpie or other black marker, colored pencils, and any markers of your choice. If you find that you're missing any of those art media, worry not. Follow along in your own style with whatever you have to use. I'll begin today with my pencil so that I can lightly sketch the lines and shapes of this backpack design. Follow along with me to make a backpack of your very own. You can look at my how to draw sheet with me, and you can even pause this video whenever you need so that you can go at your own unique pace. First, I sketch a tall curved rectangular shape for the overall shape of the backpack. Next, I sketch two smaller, similar or almost identical curved rectangles on the top left and the top right of the backpack. These are the backpack straps. I also sketch a few curved lines on the top middle and on both lower sides of the backpack to add detail like straps and side pockets. You can also sketch a diamond shape or any other shape that you're interested in. Remember that art is really enjoyable when you try it in your own style. Always try to think about how you can do things in your own unique way and how you can make those ideas look good. You're an amazing artist, so I know whatever you come up with will be outstanding. Lastly, we're going to sketch a medium-sized curved rectangle in the bottom middle of the backpack for the front pocket. You can also add a few straight lines for extra details or try something else in your own style. This school year, I'm really focusing on how to take care of the artist's mind and body when working on art projects. Notice how I take a break to stretch and massage my fingers, hands, and wrists. This is a really great practice for artists. Maybe give this a try while you watch me outline my backpack sketch. Your mind and body will thank you. I enjoy to outline my drawings with a black Sharpie or another marker because I enjoy the graphic look of drawings with bold black lines. You can try this technique too if it fits into your artistic style and interests. If you outline like me, consider erasing your pencil lines after your marker ink has dried on your paper to really crisp up your design. Alright makers, here's the exciting part of this art project. Let's connect to the artist and businesswoman Lisa Frank's design and respond by coloring our backpacks with brightly colored animal prints. I can connect to Lisa Frank's designs because I enjoy all of the colors she uses. Her designs make me think of a RuPaul quote, "Don't be afraid to use all of the colors in the crayon box." When you respond to this design and this quote, consider using every color like me. Or if you'd rather, select a few of your favorites. You're the artist, after all. You can also pick an animal print that interests you too. It could be dragon scales, cow spots, zebra stripes, or something else. While you watch me color my design, begin to consider which colors and patterns you are interested in trying. In this part of the video, you will see how I use markers to create brightly colored animal patterns. I am trying to make cheetah spots similar to the ones in Lisa Frank's design. You can do this too with blobs of color and a little bit of black on top. Watch closely to see exactly how I'm doing that. I'm sure you've already noticed how I use multiple animal patterns on different parts of the backpack. Let my design inspire you to do something very similar in your own style. Adding variety to your design can be really a nice treat for the viewers of your artwork. As a final step, I will cut out my backpack and glue it to back-to-school themed piece of scrapbook paper. I have a bunch of these sheets in my classroom, so I want to use them up. As I work through cutting and gluing, consider what your last step will be when you try this in your own style. This can be a really cool opportunity to try something really unique that impresses yourself and your fans. I do hope you try this art project. Connect to Lisa Frank's designs and respond by coloring your backpack design with brightly colored animal prints. Remember that yours may turn out more like a doodle than a masterpiece. Either way, take pride in being the cool creator that you are. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.